Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on BLACKVIEW Tab 12. And to do this, first thing is to open a Google Play Store. Now inside find Firefox. In this case it's already installed, I'm just gonna reinstall it real quick. When it's ready, you should be able to open it. Here we can customize the browser with different theme, pick a toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization, switch between different privacy protection settings, read the privacy notice, and lastly, click on Start Browsing. Now let's open any website. And as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.